Dylan K. Outros. Dylan K here with Monaco Salons. I'm here. Dylan K here with Monaco Salons. I'm here with international trainer from Paul Mitchell, Lucas Doney.
Hi.
That's it, right? Hey everyone, Dylan K here with Monaco Salons. I'm here with international trainer from Paul Mitchell, Lucas Doney. And what he did today is he taught our class some cutting techniques. Do you want to explain what you did?
Yeah, so we took the team through a little demonstration on a short curly shape, how to work with natural texture and natural bone structure, and then we took some of the group through a hands-on exercise looking at like that mid-length bob layered shape and then into an even shorter shape on the longer end of a pixie. So it was cool to see the team interact with the demonstration as well as hands-on.
It's a very informative class, and from what I heard so far, our team really enjoyed it. So we always love working with Paul Mitchell educators, bringing the best education that we can to our team, so that way we can service our best even better.